Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the Wheels Prep phase quest for the upcoming Call of Wheels event. First, make sure you have already finished Annie's Underground Tremors quest, and then after that, you will be asked to collect the signs from the coastal residents by completing the quest on here that they will give you. And then in here, I will focus on the wheel quest, and for the wheel quest, I already made the video before, so you can just check the tutorial in the descriptions or just check the Heartopia playlist. And then after that, just track Will. And then in here, you need to talk to Will at the fishing village on here near the lighthouse. And then just talk to him. And then just accept the quest like this, lighthouse quest. And then just tap on leave it to me to accept the quest. And then in here, you need to submit 3 rare timber to Will. You can get the rare timber from the 8 giant trees located around the map. If you don't know how to farm the rare timber, just check out the tutorial in the descriptions below to watch it. And then once you have collected all 3 rare timbers, just return to Will and hand them over like this. This one, and then just click submit. And just like that, you will get the wheel signs or wheel stamp like this. And your preparations underwater expeditions prep will be stamped like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!